For 8 years, Minecraft has been hiding a war on the beach. Zombies don't break sniffer eggs, they don't attack baby cows, but they hunt these. The entire undead population of Minecraft is programmed to erase this specific mob. If you ask why, well, because the turtle is the only animal in Minecraft that has a memory. It remembers exactly where it was born, it remembers exactly how to get back, and it carries a piece of biology that breaks the game's rule on death. This is the turtle, and the reason you want its shell isn't for armor, it's because it lets you breathe through your butt. Welcome back to Field Guide of Minecraft Animals, and today, let's talk turtles. Turtles arrived in Update Aquatic back in 2018, but unlike dolphins or fish, you can't just move them. Turtles have baggage, specifically home baggage. This is the signature mechanic, Natal Philopatry. This is the biological term for going back to where you were born. In Minecraft, every turtle remembers the exact block coordinates where it hatched, that is, its home beach. If you move an adult turtle 1000 blocks away and bred it, it won't lay eggs there. It will turn around and walk 1000 blocks back to the start. Real sea turtles do exactly this. They navigate using magnetoreception, reading Earth's magnetic fields like a biological GPS. They can distinguish between beaches separated by miles just based on magnetic signatures. It is one of the most precise navigation systems in the animal kingdom. But once they get home, the war starts. Eggs only hatch on sand, and while they incubate, every undead mob in the area gets a notification. Zombies, husks, drowned, zombie villagers, and even zombified piglins. They actively pathfind to eggs. They don't attack them, they just trample them. They stand on them and jump until they break. This mechanic exists to force you to defend them, because in real nature, sea turtle eggs are nature's popcorn. Crabs eat them, birds eat them, raccoons eat them. Minecraft simplifies the list of predators to zombies, but the feeling is the same. If you look away for 5 minutes, the next generation is essentially gone. If the egg survives the night and the zombies, they hatch into baby turtles. They are tiny, and immediately they face a new threat. Ocelots, wolves, cats, and foxes hunt them because nature is cruel and apparently so is Mojang. But if they survive, if they actually grow up, they drop a scute. Collect 5 and you can craft a turtle shell helmet. Now, technically, scutes are the bony plates on a turtle shell. In real life, turtles undergo ecdysis, which is shedding. As they grow, the old scutes peel off to make room for new ones, which means the turtle shell helmet technically isn't armor, it's a dead skin. You are wearing the turtle's dandruff. Congratulations! But hey, it gives you water breathing, which leads us to another weird biological fact. The helmet grants you 10 extra seconds of underwater breathing. Well, some real turtles, like the Fitzroy River turtle, have a superpower called Cloacal Respiration. They can extract oxygen from the water directly through highly vascularized bursae in their cloaca. The cloaca is the exit only hole. So essentially, they breathe through their butt. It lets them stay underwater for days without surfacing. So when Minecraft gives you a helmet that lets you stay underwater longer, it implies that, well, Steve has learned a very specific, very disturbing biological trick. This game is just keeps getting weirder. The hatchling dash to the ocean in Minecraft, it's cute. In reality, it is a gauntlet of death. Hatchlings emerge at night to avoid heat and predators. They orient toward the brightest horizon, which used to be the moon reflecting off the ocean. Now it's streetlights, hotels, parking lots. Hatchlings head inland toward the light where they die of dehydration or get run over. Those that make to water aren't safe either. Sharks, fish, and birds are waiting. Only about 1 in 1000 hatchlings survives to adulthood, and since it takes 15 to 30 years for a turtle to reach sexual maturity, replacing a population takes decades. Minecraft zombie mechanics feels unfair, but honestly, it's generous compared to the real stats. And there is one mechanic Minecraft didn't include, probably because it is kinda depressing, which is temperature dependent sex determination. Sea turtles don't have X and Y chromosomes like humans. The temperature of the sand decides the sex of the hatchlings. Warmer sands equal to females, cooler sand equals to males. Hot chicks, cool dudes. That's the mnemonic. This worked fine for millions of years. But now, climate change is heating up the beaches. Some populations, like those in Great Barrier Reef, are now producing 99% female hatchlings. No male means no reproduction, and it is a slow motion extinction event. Minecraft turtles are immune to this, real ones might not be. And then there's the diet. In Minecraft, turtles breed using seagrass. In reality, species like leatherback eat jellyfish. And you know what exactly looks like jellyfish in water? You guessed it, a plastic bag. Turtles eat them, and their stomach fills up with plastic. They stop eating real food because they feel full. They starve to death with a full stomach. We have found plastic in over 50% of sea turtles examined. Minecraft turtles are stubborn navigators that force you to fight off zombies to save their kids. They reward you for patience, protection, and defense. Real turtles navigate thousands of miles using magnetic fields only to return to beaches that are getting too hot, filled with plastic that looks like food, and lit up by cities that led their babies to the wrong way. Minecraft modeled the life cycle, it modeled the fragility, and it modeled the fact that everything wants to kill them. It is one of the game's darkest ecological lessons. So next time you breed a turtle, protect the egg, because out here in the real world, they need all the help they can get. That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. It's free and you can change your mind whenever you want. Once again, thank you for watching. This was Mansab. You're watching Simply Wild, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.